Namaste and welcome. I'm Julie Hill with Yoga Body. I'm a yoga therapist, a personal trainer, and a Reiki energy healer, and I help people eliminate pain and get back into doing the activities that they love. And today I wanted to share with you a practice that will help you release tension, anxiety, really kind of focus in a mind that's swirling around. This practice is Bhramari Pranayama, which stands for bee's breath. It involves a humming sound. So there's definitely more value with humming around your house as you do chores than maybe you thought, as we use it to kind of allow us to stimulate the vocal cords, which helps stimulate the vagus nerve and can really give you some vagal toning without you even knowing it, helping to allow the body to release stress quickly and come back into just an easy, relaxed state. So we're going to practice this. We'll move through 3 of the breaths together, and then you can build to move it towards 8 to 10 breaths at a time. And you can use this practice whenever you like. It could be a daily practice that you bring into your day. It could be something that you just use when you feel the body starting to gain tension. So I want you to find yourself in a comfortable seated position with your back relaxed. So you might be in a chair, or you could be on some blankets, seated on the couch, whatever works for you. And we're going to go ahead and pay attention to any stress or strain coming into your jaw, your throat, your shoulders. We don't want that to happen. We don't want any bracing in the rib cage while you're breathing. So if you notice that, feel free to stop, come back into a regular breath, and then join in again. Always with the breathing practice, know that that's available to you. So in this particular pranayama, we're going to use our thumbs to close off this cartilage flap. You could use your thumbs or you could use your pointer fingers, whatever works best for you. And you can use your thumbs and place the rest of your fingers on top of your head. You could frame third eye center. You could use the fingers to cover up your eyes. Really, it's your choice. It is good to have your eyes closed in this practice. So I'm going to use my thumbs and just rest my fingers on my head. If you want to use your pointer fingers and leave elbows down because it's better for your shoulders, please do. So while you're doing this practice, I want you to pay attention to what it feels like on the inside with that vibration, coming from the back of your throat, down your neck, and even into the front of your face. We'll take a full breath in, and on the exhale, we'll add that humming. Close your eyes and breathe in. And you can continue with this practice, again, moving towards 8 or 10 rounds of it. Whatever feels right for you. Just keep checking in with your jaw. Maybe something that you need to build into. But allow yourself to kind of be with that idea of bringing the awareness into the inside of your body and really connecting into the vibration that's happening within. If you have any questions about the practice or you want to make a few comments, please send an email to julie@yogabodylllc.com. Here's to a happier and healthier you. Namaste.